while being a full-time sales rep sa Lawn Starter. So iba-iba. So pag nag-end yung part-time ko, hanap ulit ako ng ibang part-time. Let's face it, hindi stable ang freelancing, di ba?
Mm-mm.
So palagi kang may pangamba, like may takot pa na baka mawalan ako ng work, ganyan. So ginagawa ko yung mga part-time na yun as a way to parang to soothe my feelings na pag mawala ako sa full-time, I still have another job para mag-pay ko yung mga bills ko.
I see,
So,
I
ganun. Even up
see.
until now, hindi ako nagsasettle lang sa one client. Hindi sa contented ha, pero alam mo yun, hindi nga stable. So,
Mm-mm.
parang need ko at least ng backup plan.
Speaking of stability, parang may nabasa ko before sa post ni Ate Kim Pearl na yung parang other perspective when it comes to stability na it's not just about being in a company for about 5, 10, 20 years. It's about having the skill na kahit mag-end man yung company na yon, you still have that particular set of skills that are transferable to other companies. And then,
That's
yun nga,
actually correct.
mm-mm.
Mm.
So
Yeah,
medyo,
I'm lucky naman to be at this point na I'm not really scared to lose my job because I'm confident. Hindi, I'm not being cocky or anything.
mm-mm,
Pero based naman sa mga skills na na-acquire ko over the past years, I think I can easily get a client if I want to.
I
It's just
see.
that ako na lang yung pinipili ng client. May mga times pa na I would decline them kasi I don't like working with them, lalo na mga nag-micromanage.
Mm.
Yeah, there were times na I would decline offers from the clients kasi right now I feel grateful na sa point na ako na I can choose whoever I want to work with.